Could AI actually run my entire YouTube channel for me? Today I'm going to fuck around and find out. From researching ideas, writing scripts, editing, even designing thumbnail and uploading the videos, I'm going to test if AI can handle the whole pipeline. Will it be successful or completely fall apart? Let's put AI to the test. In the upcoming section, I will reveal the exact n8n automation that I created that saves me 3 hours of researching ideas and writing scripts every single day. This will be a two-part series. In the next video, I will reveal more n8n automations that will automate some parts of editing, designing thumbnails, and uploading videos. Like and subscribe so you don't miss the results. So before we start testing AI, let me actually show you what my YouTube content creation pipeline actually looks like. So first off is researching video ideas. Not gonna lie, this one is the most time consuming. I waste a lot of time on watching YouTube videos in the name of research. I would be super happy if this one is automated for me so that I spend more time on filming good videos, doing good editing instead of researching video ideas. Okay, then comes like the writing the script. So this one is fairly easy. I asked ChatGPT to give me 3 variations of the script and I picked the one that I like the most. Then comes filming. I don't think AI can automate it as of now. Then comes like editing. Editing takes a lot of time. Generating B-roll footages, finding stock footages, and finding like effects and everything. It takes a lot of time. So I would be super happy if some part of editing is automated, but I am not that hopeful that AI would be helpful here. Then comes designing a thumbnail. I have seen some YouTubers talking about AI designing their thumbnails. I really want to put it to test. Then comes like uploading. I think this would be easy for AI to do. My strategy to automate like all these steps is to use n8n. n8n is like a powerful automation tool which has AI integrated into it, and you can just plug and play and automate the most boring stuff in your content creation pipeline. So let's get started in building the automations. Alright, so here's what I built. The goal is simple. Find recent videos that are performing really well. I call these outliers. Videos that are getting way more views per day than that channels normally gets. So the inputs are just my competitor sheet. I pull each channel in here and then the workflow splits into 2 parts. Down here I grab each channel's most recent uploads and calculate views per day. I also ignore shorts. I'm only keeping proper long form videos. Up here I look back across the last year to learn that channel's normal speed. I call it baseline views per day. Basically the median views per day across their recent long videos. That way I'm not comparing a small channel to a massive one. It's all normalized. Once I have those two, I compare the fresh videos against the baseline and I only keep the ones that pass my outlier test. It's 3 quick checks. It's moving fast. The video gets at least 800 views per day. It's not a blip. The video has at least 5,000 total views. It's beating their norm. It's getting at least 2x the channel's usual views per day. If it passes, that's a real spike. I also compute an outlier multiplier, which is literally views per day divided by the baseline. Higher is equal to hotter. Then I sort by that multiplier and keep the top 10 so I'm not drowning in ideas. For the winners, I send the data to Gemini and it kicks back 3 title options plus a quick outline so I can move straight into scripting without doom scrolling. End result is this: 1 row per outlier with the title, URL, views per day, the channel's baseline, the multiplier, and 3 new title ideas with an outline. Basically a ready to shoot list. If you want this exact setup, I'm giving away the n8n workflow JSON for free. Links in the description. Download it, import it, plug your own keys, done. If this helps, hit like and subscribe. This thing honestly saves me about 3 hours a day.